Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be guiding you step by step on how to use St. George's Cardless Cash feature for convenient cash withdrawals without the need for a physical card. Let's dive into the process and make your banking experience even smoother. Step 1. Open the St. George app. First, ensure you have the St. George Banking app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you will need to complete the registration process before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Cardless Cash. Once you are logged in, look for the Cardless Cash option in the main menu. This feature allows you to withdraw cash using just your mobile phone without your debit or credit card. Step 3. Select your account. After selecting Cardless Cash, choose the bank account from which you would like to withdraw cash. Make sure you have sufficient funds available in that account. Step 4. Choose the amount. Next, enter the amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Be aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that may apply. Step 5. Generate a code. Once you have input the desired amount, tap the option to generate a unique cash code. This code will be required at the ATM to complete your withdrawal. Remember, this code is time sensitive, so make sure to use it promptly. Step 6. Go to the nearest ATM. With your unique cash code in hand, head to the nearest St. George ATM that supports cardless cash withdrawals. You can usually find an ATM locator in the app or on the St. George website if you're unsure of your location. Step 7. Access the cardless cash option at the ATM. At the ATM, select the Cardless Cash option on the screen. This option may be located on the main menu or under a specific services menu, depending on the ATM model. Step 8. Enter your code. Next, you will be prompted to enter the unique cash code that you generated earlier. Carefully type in the code and follow any further instructions displayed on the ATM screen. Step 9. Collect your cash. Once the code is verified, the ATM will dispense the cash. Make sure to take your cash and any receipt if you choose to print one. Step 10. Log out of the app. Finally, for security reasons, remember to log out of your St. George Banking app after completing your transaction. That's it. You've successfully completed a cardless withdrawal with St. George. This feature is a fantastic way to access cash without carrying your card with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.